Hello and good morning, students. I am your bio teacher Vikas Vats from Eklavya Educational Complex. My dear students, right now the whole world is facing this global pandemic situation, and day by day the cases of corona will be increasing. So, according to the guidelines of the government, for a certain period of time your school will be closed. So, my dear students, don't worry. We teachers and schools are here to pull you out from the ditch. Through this virtual platform, we are going to provide you all the facility, regularity in your classes so that any problem or anything will not become the obstacle on your path of study. Right now, I am going to start a new chapter of your science book, that is components of food. My dear students, my dear students, we are eating a lots of food. Like we are eating pizza, we are eating biryani, we are eating samosa, we are eating mango, we are eating vegetables, we are eating dal, we are eating chawal, we are eating fish, meat, egg, milk. Means lots of food we are eating according to our taste, according to our choice. That means nature provide us a lots of food, and my dear students, these all food items contain different types of nutrients. This is a new word, different types of nutrients. And these nutrients are essential for the growth of our body, for the maintenance of our body, for the repair of damaged cells in our body, and makes our body disease resistance. These nutrients are essential. So, my dear students, in this chapter we are going to study about the different types of nutrients, and there are five types of nutrients are there, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. And all these five types of nutrients are essential for the growth, maintenance, repair of our body. And in this chapter we also studied about we also study about what will happen after the deficiency of these types of nutrients. So what our body is going to face if we are not taking these five types of nutrients in proper amount, that we are also going to study in this chapter. So my dear students, one by one we are going to study all these five types of nutrients in detail. So first one, it is protein. Protein is known as body building food. Protein is known as, my dear students, body building food. Why it is known as body building food means this protein helps in the building the structure of our body. It helps to form new cells in our body, and these proteins are contained by meat, egg, white part of the egg especially, milk, fish, in pulses, etc. So these food items contain protein, and this protein helps to repair our body cells. If any cells will get damaged, that cell will be repaired through this protein only. And second type of nutrients is carbohydrate. This carbohydrate is known as, my dear students, energy giving food. It is known as energy giving food. Why it is known as energy giving food means this carbohydrate provides a lot of energy to our body. And the food items that contain carbohydrates are chapati, rice, banana, bread. Some amount of carbohydrates are also being contained by green vegetables. Even milk also contain carbohydrate. Inside the milk, lactose sugar is present, which is a type of carbohydrate. That's why if we are not adding the sugar additionally into the milk, and if we drink the milk without adding the sugar, we can taste that milk as sweet. Now next type of nutrients is fat. This fat is also considered as energy giving food, because a small quantity of fat will provide lots of energy to our body, and this fat also helps to keep our body warm. Means these fats act as insulator. In our body's internal temperature will not escape from our body because of this fat only. And the food items that contain fat are meat and fish, cheese, butter, nuts, seeds, cashew nuts, chocolates, edible oils like coconut oil, groundnut oil, etc. Next important nutrients are vitamins and minerals. My dear student, these vitamins and minerals are required in a small quantity in our body, and these vitamins and minerals keeps our body disease resistance. It helps in the growth of our body, and it keeps our body healthy. Green vegetables, fruits, etc. contain vitamins and minerals. Some of the vitamins are essential for our body, like vitamin A, B, K, E, etc. Even C also. And some of the food items already contain vitamins and minerals. Now, my dear students, this is all about the 5 types of nutrients. Now, my question is, what is nutrients? What are the different types of nutrients? Which type of nutrients is known as energy giving food? Which type of nutrients is known as bodybuilding food? Which type of nutrients are contained by milk and egg? Which type of nutrients are contained by roti and rice, which type of nutrients are contained by pulses, which type of nutrients are contained by meat and fish, and which part of egg contain fat, which part of egg contain protein. So these all are the some questions, my dear students, that you have to solve as your assignment. Okay, so my dear student, today this much only. Next remaining topic we shall study in the next class. Be just take care of yourself, my dear student. Regularly wash your hand, keep sanitize your hand, wearing mask, don't step out from your home unnecessary. Okay, so just take care of yourself, my dear students. Thank you, have a nice day to you all.